So, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is getting a little growth spurt over the S25 Ultra. Not by much though. It's one of those changes you wouldn't even notice unless someone pointed it out. Luckily, that's exactly what just happened. We've heard the rumors before, but now we've got a leaked image that compares the S25 Ultra and S26 Ultra side by side. And yeah, there's a slight bump in size. The screen's going from 6.86 inches on the S25 Ultra to about 6.89 inches on the S26 Ultra. That's barely a difference on paper, but with Samsung's new display tech, they might squeeze out more screen without making the phone feel bulkier. Ice Universe, the go-to guy for Samsung leaks, dropped this visual on Weibo. You can spot a slight increase in height, and apparently the S26 Ultra will also be a tiny bit wider. But honestly, unless you overlay the two images, you probably won't see the width difference right away. For reference, the S25 Ultra is 162.8 millimeters tall and 77.6 millimeters wide. The exact numbers for the S26 Ultra still under wraps, but from the leak, it's safe to say it's just a fraction bigger. What's more exciting is how Samsung's using this new display assembly they first showed off with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It integrates waterproofing directly into the display panel, allowing thinner bezels, so even with that size increase, the S26 Ultra won't feel like a massive phone. The changes are subtle, but when you hold it, you might feel that extra bit of screen real estate. This image is based on early info, so things could still change. But if leaks stay on schedule, we might get official renders in a couple of months, with the full launch about 6 months away. So, what do you guys think? Is this minor size bump even a big deal, or are you hoping Samsung surprises us with something more drastic? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.